So number 1 says, what is the temperature of an 11.2 liter sample of carbon monoxide, or CO, at 744 torr if it occupies 13.3 liters at 55 degrees Celsius and 744 torr? All right, so the first thing I'm going to note is that I, put number 1, am looking for the temperature. And specifically, I am looking for the initial temperature, the first temperature. All right, the problem also gives me the first volume, which it says is 11.2 liters, and then the pressure at the beginning, which is 744 torr. It says it has a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius, a final volume of 13.3 liters, and a final pressure of 744 torr. So the first thing I'm going to notice, my pressures right here are the same, or I'm going to say constant. So really I'm looking for an equation that relates temperature and volume at constant pressure. And so I have Charles' law, which is V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. And just a reminder, when we're doing temperatures, we need to have them in Kelvin. So this temperature over here, if we say 273 plus 55, that is going to give us a temperature of 328 Kelvin. So now when I plug it in here, I'm going to say, okay, 11.2 over T1, because that's what I'm looking for, equals 13.3 over 328. So I'm going to get 11.2 over T1 is equal to 0.04055. And then when I multiply T1, and then divide this, so I'm going to end up with 11.2 divided by 0.04055 equals T1. I'm going to get an answer of 276, no, Kelvin, not degrees. That is my final temperature. If I wanted to convert this back to Celsius, I would subtract 273, and so I would get 3 degrees Celsius. Either one of those would work.